Hey everybody, just wanted to give you a little bit of a quick tour around ABC, very briefly. It's a bit chaotic here in a minute, so just bear with us, because there's lots of things going on. I'll take you on a little walk around, bear with me a second. Because some people think that some of the stuff we do, we outsource, and actually the majority of what we do here is done here in-house. We actually print it all here, we finish it all here, etc. We've got all the equipment we need. People just think that this one room is the only room, but they're totally wrong. So, I'm just going to show you Hannah doing the folding of sewing pattern print. She laughed because she's like, oh god. And we have our production machine here, which we print onto, print all the flyers and everything on. So currently, got a range of flyers here which we're currently printing for Semi Local, which is great. And also, this is the big thing. So we have got a big cutter here on the wall, here somewhere, basically then we then got our printer here, which is for all our wide format. So your banners, your posters, and anything, your artwork, etc. We print on our massive wide format printer here. We go up to 54 inches wide, and that covers most things really. That's local. So, but we also do work with boards as well with this cutter. So we've got various boards, which is foam boards, die bonds, that sort of thing. And at the back here, diddly, we have got our foiler and laminator. We have our booklet maker here. Excuse all the tubes, this is the chaos I'm talking about currently. We have got our cutter machine here as well, so it cuts things down for us, so the flyers, the business cards, that sort of thing basically. This cuts and creases, so when we make booklets with covers, it's a bit of a process, but all the covers are cut and creased in this machine, and then obviously it's made in the booklet maker. We have our guillotine here as well. I hope you can see that. Yeah, we have a guillotine here as well, and also, for some reason this toilet rolls on top of this one, but there we go. We also have our machine here, which is a folding machine, so like the folded leaflets, for example, we do all in that one there. So we have got our finishing room here effectively. Now at the back, we've got our, I call the bomb shelter. So, the bomb shelter. And here is where we'll finish and make things like the banners. So roller banners, normal banners, we'll cut down as well on a big guillotine net there. The big posters and that sort of thing as well. So just a little sneak peek for you guys really. At some point we probably will plan an open day at some point, but that's when it's a little bit tidier in here and not so chaotic. So hope that was interesting for you guys. Speak soon.